Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the handle end cap on this Samsung refrigerator. We'll need a few different tools for the job. We'll leave those listed in the description below. Let's get started. The first thing that we'll need to do is pivot the handle up to give us access to the set screw. Now remove the set screw. Now lower the handle back down. Pull the right side of the handle out just enough so that it clears the mounting screw. Now pull the handle to the right to release the left side and pull off to remove. If you're replacing the side with the set screw, make sure that the screw is fully removed. Next, remove the Phillips screw, then slide out the handle support. Now, carefully remove the end cap by prying on the locking tabs on each side. If you have a bad door handle end cap, and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you search with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. Next, reinstall the door handle end cap by first inserting the rear tab, then gently snapping the two side tabs. Next, reinstall the door handle support by sliding it into the end of the handle, then reinstall the Phillips screw. The left side of the handle has a keyhole slot. Insert the door handle mounting screw into the larger opening and then slide it over until it locks in place. Push the right side of the handle onto the door handle mounting screw. Now lift the handle up and install the set screw. So that's it for this repair. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.